58th Street is where I grew up. Always 5 and 10 in a Springer's Waffle Cup.
Recording me?
Yeah. Where are we?
Oh, is that what you said a minute ago?
No.
So we are at Kelly's Tap House in Philly where our boy Holdyn Barder is performing today. Really excited. We haven't met him in person until today, so he's all the way from Nashville.
Oh.
Holdyn, how was your trip home to Philly been?
Thank you guys for coming on out. I'm excited to have both of you watch me live. More people should come later in the set. It's been great, man. Flew out of Nashville a few days ago, and it's been nice to be home. I'm really excited for this show tonight here at Kelly's Taproom and for everyone to show out. Only thing is I wish I had time for the Eagles game on Sunday, but we got the victory, which is all that matters.
That's awesome, man. Welcome home, and we are excited for the show as well. What does the set list look like for tonight? Covers, all your own stuff, anything new?
Yeah, man, I have a good mix of stuff for tonight, but we will go with the flow of the crowd and mix things up throughout the night. A lot of country hits that everyone will love for sure.
Awesome. We are excited. I saw you did a cover of Hardy's Sold Out show recently. Any plans for that one tonight?
Dude, that is such a good song. I did that song with my whole band, so probably not tonight, but such a good song, and maybe I will have to put together an acoustic version of Sold Out sometime soon.
Yeah, man, such a good song. How long has this show been in the works?
I actually met the owners here over the summer, and we got to talking, and we set this up. It's been circled on my calendar for months, and I'm feeling ready to go, man.
Awesome, man. We can't wait to see everyone come out and see you perform. We are going to get some good content, and we will let you finish warming up.
Yeah, I tell you what, if you guys are going to Barefoot Country Music Fest next year, we are on the main stage, so come on out. I don't have a date yet, but it is either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. But come on out because we won the Barefoot Country Music Fest Hometown Star Golden Boot Award this summer, which means that we get to play main stage next summer, which is awesome. So come on out. You guys will be like, I saw him at Kelly. You gotta come out to Wildwood and be a part of that. Like I said, I don't know what time of day, but it's definitely on the main stage, and we're gonna kick ass. It's gonna be a good time. And we're gonna get the band from Nashville. We're gonna get all the boys there. It's gonna be good. West Virginia, mountain Wildwood, take me home. Country road, all my memories gather around her. I was 80, strings over water, dark and dusty, hanging on the sky. Yesterday's emotion, teardrop in my eye. Country road, take me home. I heard you died out shining with my nose ring on you. Glory back, since I love you till I die. I can feel that come baby. Slow down, boy, this is right. With my baby, she's been crying at the door of me crying. Roses are standing, man's goes dry. Open the gates, coming through. There are flowers where we came from too. Open the gates, tell me right. Where I go, it's everybody on my side.
What?
It's my birthday on Saturday.
You want to celebrate?
Yeah, I'm celebrating with a double Captain and Coke.
You should come to Philly. Come to Philly.
I'm in Philly right now.
Shut up. Can you slowly lick your lips?
I missed the kickoff, but I didn't care. I feel special going down at the lane. Boy, I wish she could have been there. The Cowboys are sure gonna miss her. I hate to break it to them, she looking better in green. Tomorrow she was planning on